Hedgehogs are small, nocturnal mammals known for their distinctive spines, rounded bodies, and insectivorous diet. Here's an overview of these fascinating animals. Physical characteristics. Hedgehogs belong to the family Erinaceidae and are characterized by their rounded bodies covered in dense spines. The spines are modified hairs made of keratin and serve as a defense mechanism against predators. Depending on the species, hedgehogs may vary in size from 4 to 12 inches, 10 to 30 centimeters in length, and weigh between 0.5 to 2.5 pounds, 0.2 to 1.1 kilograms. They have small eyes and ears and a pointed snout for rooting around in soil and leaf litter. Hedgehogs have relatively poor eyesight but possess keen senses of hearing and smell, which they use to locate prey and navigate through their environment. Habitat. Hedgehogs are found in a variety of habitats across Europe, Asia, and Africa, including woodlands, grasslands, scrublands, and suburban gardens. They prefer areas with dense vegetation and ample hiding places, such as hedgerows, bushes, and piles of leaves. Hedgehogs are adaptable animals and can thrive in both rural and urban environments, where they may find food and shelter in gardens, parks, and green spaces. Behavior. Hedgehogs are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. They spend much of the day resting in concealed burrows or nests made of leaves, grass, and other plant materials. Despite their solitary nature, hedgehogs may come together during the breeding season or when sharing a common food source. They are generally tolerant of each other's presence, but may exhibit aggressive behaviors if threatened or provoked. Hedgehogs are proficient climbers and swimmers, capable of navigating through various terrains and obstacles in search of food and shelter. Diet. Hedgehogs are insectivores with a predominantly carnivorous diet, although they may also consume fruits, berries, roots, and fungi opportunistically. Their primary food sources include insects such as beetles, worms, caterpillars, slugs, and snails. Hedgehogs use their keen sense of smell and hearing to locate prey, which they capture using their sharp teeth and strong jaws. They may also use their forepaws to root around in soil and leaf litter in search of hidden insects. Reproduction. Breeding typically occurs in late spring or early summer, with females giving birth to a litter of 3 to 7 hoglets after a gestation period of around 4 to 6 weeks. The hoglets are born blind, hairless, and helpless and rely on their mother for warmth, protection, and nourishment. Female hedgehogs, known as sows, raise their young alone and may nurse them for several weeks before they are weaned. Hoglets grow rapidly and become independent at around 6 to 8 weeks of age, venturing out to forage for food on their own. Conservation status. Hedgehogs face threats from habitat loss, fragmentation, road mortality, predation by domestic pets, and pesticide exposure. While they are not currently classified as endangered, some hedgehog populations are declining, particularly in urbanized areas. Conservation efforts aimed at creating hedgehog-friendly habitats, reducing human-wildlife conflict, and raising awareness about the importance of hedgehog conservation are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of these endearing mammals. Hedgehogs are charming and beneficial animals that play important roles in controlling insect populations and maintaining the health of ecosystems. By conserving their habitats and promoting coexistence between hedgehogs and local communities, we can help ensure their survival and preserve the natural heritage for future generations.
Subscribe to TerraChannel today and start your own adventure into the heart of the wild.